Phung. I'm a CMO of Unicorn Ultra Network. I have been traveling and attending many events globally. And to be honest, I'm quite impressed with what ETHVietnam can get it done here. And I like the venue for sure. It's a mix between tech and nature and the traditional vibes.
So my name is Roman. I'm actually from Redoubt. Thanks for having me today. It's actually a nice place. First week in Vietnam, and I'm quite surprised that Vietnamese Web3 community is so big because it's nice, and I met a lot of people here